Okay, my name is Arwyn Owen, and I'm farm manager at Helfa. Helfa is a hill farm of 4,500 acres, so it's quite a big hill farm. And what we do is keep sheep and cattle here, and they graze up to the summit of Snowdon. Louise has been here on numerous occasions over the last 3 or 4 years, and has been following us, been tracking what we're doing. So when we're gathering, when we've been shearing, when we're doing all routine tasks on the farm, Louise has been here and has been catching what we're doing on film, and essentially it's culminated obviously in the production, and it's been fascinating because for us on a day-to-day basis, our normal work revolves around farming and livestock and sheepdogs. And this has brought a whole new dimension, really, in the sense that I feel, first of all, it's for us to have National Theatre of Wales and people of Louise's calibre thinking that what we're doing is worthy of a production like this is something that's certainly exciting and is an honour, really. But more than that, what it does is we do these things naturally from day to day. This is what we do, and to see how others and artists interpret them in itself has been fascinating.